Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're exploring the rigorous process that guarantees the safety of your medicine. Ever wondered what ensures the medicine you take is both safe and effective? Every single time. Well, the secret is a process called validation. It's documented proof that everything works exactly like it's supposed to. This whole system is built on a framework called good manufacturing practices. It's the foundation for quality. And this testing isn't random at all. Every single step is meticulously planned out in a formal document. That's the validation master plan. You can think of it as the master blueprint for the entire facility. And this isn't just a good idea, it's the law. The FDA legally requires this to protect us. So every single piece of equipment goes through a 4-step journey to prove it's fit for purpose. First up, design qualification. This just confirms the machine's design is right before it's even built. Next is installation qualification. It's basically a mechanic's checklist, making sure every part is installed correctly. Then, operational qualification tests every single function, every button, to make sure the machine works perfectly. And finally, performance qualification. This is the ultimate test drive, proving the machine makes a perfect product consistently. Okay, let's see this in action with a capsule filler. During its IQ, every component is physically checked. And what's amazing is the detail. They verify everything down to the type of steel in its polish. Now for PQ, the machine has to prove it works under real conditions, even running at different speeds. And this really shows the goal, proving every capsule gets the exact same dose, no matter the speed. But listen, validation isn't a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing process of monitoring and calibration. And the consequences for failing? They're serious. The FDA frequently cites companies for maintenance failures like this. These findings show how easily things can go wrong, which directly puts patient safety at risk. So really, this whole documented process is the invisible system that protects patient health with every single dose. So, the next time you see a pill, maybe you'll see the incredible journey of validation behind